Hi kids! Welcome to Mommy Ray and Kiara's educational videos. Today we will review about the Australia and Oceania countries and their capital cities. Australia. Australia's capital city is Canberra. Fiji. Fiji's capital city is Suva. Samoa. Samoa's capital city is Apia. Micronesia. Micronesia's capital city is Palikir. New Zealand. New Zealand's capital city is Wellington. Tonga. Tonga's capital city is Nuku'alofa. Kiribati. Kiribati's capital city is Tarawa. Palau. Palau's capital city is Geraldmod. Vanuatu. Vanuatu's capital city is Port Vila. Marshall Islands. Marshall Islands' capital city is Majuro. Solomon Islands. Solomon Islands' capital city is Honiara. Nauru. Nauru's capital city is Yaren District. Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea's capital city is Port Moresby. French Polynesia. French Polynesia's capital city is Papeete. Cook Islands. Cook Islands' capital city is Avarua. Guam. Guam's capital city is Hagatmea. New Caledonia. New Caledonia's capital city is Nouméa. Tuvalu. Tuvalu's capital city is Funafuti. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell button so you can help us create educational videos for your child. This has been Mommy Ray and Kiara.